Looking for the best thermal imager cameras in 2026? In this video, we'll explore some of the top thermal imaging cameras you can buy right now for home inspections, electrical troubleshooting, mechanical work, outdoor activities, and professional use. Let's find the right thermal camera for your needs. Starting at number 1. Topton TC0053 3.5-inch dual-lens thermal imaging camera. The Topton TC005 is a high-performance thermal imaging camera that features a 3.5-inch dual-lens design, offering a resolution of 512 by 384 TISR. This advanced device is equipped with a 2MP visual light camera, enabling users to capture detailed images in addition to thermal readings. With an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours, the handheld infrared imager is designed for extended use in various environments, capable of operating within a temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. This combination of features makes the Topton TC005 an excellent tool for professionals in fields such as electrical maintenance, building inspections, and HVAC diagnostics. Number 2. FLIR C5 Compact Thermal Imaging Camera. The C5 handheld infrared camera is designed to measure temperatures ranging from -20 to 400 degrees Celsius, -4 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, and features a macro focus range of 0.3 m, 11.8 in. It offers various shooting modes, including infrared image, visual image, MSX, and picture-in-picture, all controlled automatically for ease of use. The camera captures video in 1080p resolution and utilizes patented MSX technology, which enhances thermal images by embossing visual details, resulting in clearer and more comprehensible pictures. Users can quickly identify and troubleshoot hidden faults with its 160 by 120 true thermal imaging capability, which consists of 19,200 pixels. Additionally, the C5 allows for seamless documentation and sharing of images through FLIR Ignite cloud connectivity, enabling users to create professional reports for their clients. The product comes with a comprehensive warranty that includes 2 years of parts and labor coverage on the camera and 10 years of coverage on the detector, ensuring reliability and performance. Number 3. Topton TC002C Duo Thermal Imaging Camera. The Topton TC002C Duo Thermal Imaging Camera is a versatile device designed for use with any USB-C compatible iPhone, iPad, or Android smartphone. It boasts an impressive 512 by 384 super resolution and a 256 by 192 infrared resolution imager, ensuring high-quality thermal images. The camera features a sensitivity of 40 mK/NETD, allowing for precise temperature detection across a wide range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. With a refresh rate of 25 Hz, users can expect smooth and real-time thermal imaging, making it an ideal tool for various applications, from home inspections to outdoor adventures. The sleek gray design adds a modern touch to its functionality. Number 4. FLIR E5 Pro Thermal Imaging Camera. The FLIR E5 Pro Thermal Imaging Camera is a versatile and advanced infrared camera designed for a range of applications, including commercial inspections. It features a resolution of 160 by 120 MSX and operates within a temperature range of -20 to 400 degrees Celsius. With a refresh rate of 9 Hz, this camera ensures smooth and accurate thermal imaging. It also comes equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing for easy connectivity and sharing of images via the Ignite cloud platform. The camera is powered by a reliable Li-ion battery and includes a protective case, making it suitable for both professional and personal use in various environments. Number 5. Topton TC00 for Mini Thermal Imaging Camera. The Topton TC00 for Mini Thermal Imaging Camera is a compact and efficient device that boasts a resolution of 240 by 240 TISR, allowing for detailed thermal imaging. It features an impressive battery life of up to 15 hours, making it suitable for extended use in various applications. With a 25 Hz refresh rate, this handheld infrared camera provides smooth and continuous imaging. Additionally, it includes high and low temperature alerts for immediate notifications of temperature changes, an auto shutdown feature to conserve battery life, and a secondary resolution of 128 by 128 IR for versatile imaging capabilities. The camera is designed in a sleek blue color, combining functionality with style. Thanks for watching. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.